Replacing a defective compute node. Transfer the following components to the replacement compute node. All of the drives and fillers. Node air baffles. Node front cover. PCIe riser assembly and PCIe adapter. Drive cage assembly. M.2 backplane and M.2 drives. SATA and NVMe spacer. DIMMs. Processor heatsink modules. After you finish the replacement, refer to the ThinkSystem DA240 enclosure and ThinkSystem SD630 V2 compute node maintenance manual to complete the following steps. This menu can be downloaded from the Lenovo Data Center Supports website. Update the machine type and serial number with new vital product data. Enable Trusted Platform module or Trusted Cryptographic module. Optionally, enable UEFI Secure Boot. Update the compute node configuration.